Start sharing your SeneGence shopping cart link right now. So you want to save your links in boards or a text replacement. This is my website. Just click up there and it's going to take you to the Shop Now button. You don't have to have that. And then it's going to pull up the SeneGence website. So click on Shop Now. It's going to pull up the products that you want. Click Add to Bag. And go in and start finding products that go along with what your customer wants or what you showed. And start adding into the bag so that you end up with a cart total that's over $125. This code at the beginning is for new customers. So I save that code as well in my boards links. Under My Business Links, down at the bottom here, I have first time booking code. Click on that, copy the code. We each have our own unique code tied to us. So I'm copying that. And then go in, we're gonna fill up the cart with some other products because I wanna make sure this order is over $125. So my customer will get free shipping. We'll put in some mascara. This is a great way for them to see a little more, learn a little more about each of the products if they're at the website. But I'm going to continue adding into the cart. Just use the search bar or you can scroll to find products you're looking for. And then add them into the cart. You can see in the upper right-hand corner, it shows my basket. It's getting full. It has 2 items in there at the moment. It's going to have 3 in there. And then the other thing to notice is up at the top when you're scrolling, it says Shopping with Katie 7ants. So that's why we want to have this unique link saved to our computer or boards or text replacement so that anytime you share the link, it's directly to you. They're shopping with you specifically. All right, so then I'm going to add a couple more things in here. And then what I can do, I'm looking at my shopping cart. I'm at 207. So now I'm going to hit Share Shopping Bag. Oh, I guess I'm going to look at it first. All right, we're viewing it. It shows what I'm getting for free, if there's any special deals. So I'm choosing my freebie, which is going to be the lip line corrector sample. And then I'm going to apply my 15% off code in here as well, right under code. Right there, promo code. Put in that code that I saved. That's my personal 15% off for a new customer code. Now click Share Shopping Bag. All right, I've got everything in my bag and it's got the sample and the code. You can see 15% off. Click on the button that says Share Code. I like to share the URL. So I just put in my first name and my email address. This is just a tracking so the company knows it's from me. And get link. Copy that link. And then that's what I'm going to share with my friends. So whether I did a video or a post, I'm going to share that link. I hope that helps.